إيش معلوم دوترتي؟
هذا president Philippines.
أيوة.
But strong.
Strong?
Before Aquino is no good.
ولا؟
So that is good. Malam betul kita sah. Good. Same Pakistan kan. Imran Khan. Faris Khan. Faris no.
Good morning guys. So,
आगे खेत में अलग लगते हैं मोरकड़े थे चाहे सर बंदी ना नहीं
busy ang aking taxi driver. So, nakaroon tayo ng bagong trio. So, ask natin ano pangalan. What's your name, pare?
My name is Farhad.
Farhad.
Your name? 230.
230. Yeah. Please, how many years you are here in Saudi?
13 years.
13 years.
So
So,
work tax.
taxi driver, right? So, only you're using this car for the company or it's your
This
own
car is the company.
company? This is the
And
life
work-
of
and
life of taxi driver here in Saudi Arabia, guys. How much you paying for the company?
This
Daily.
one day rent 120
120 daily.
daily.
Wow.
Last Friday? No.
So how much is Friday?
Friday is free.
Free.
Yeah.
Wow, that's good. So
But Friday is no one. Friday is no one.
very less customer like that.
Yeah, but no.
You're not
same
you're not
person.
driving every Saturday Friday like that. You
Friday I'm rest.
you're taking a rest.
Yeah. No.
That's good. Your family is here?
No. Pakistan.
Pakistan. Anyway guys, Farhad is Pakistan, right? He has a family in the Pakistan. So what is the feeling of what is the what do you call this one? What do you think that's the good here in Saudi? Why you
Good?
yeah
Good is no.
not good here?
No.
Why?
Too much expensive. No work, no business. Before is good. But now is the tax. No good.
Too much
business,
tax.
business finish.
You don't have also you're not your car is not in Uber or Karim, no?
No. This only tax. It's no system. Unlike.
What do you think about Filipino? Do you have friend Filipino? Do you have
Filipino.
here? Yeah.
Before is too much guest. Filipino. One is the teacher is school girls. English teacher. One is the guest go is the Tawaran Center near this nurses hotel. One guest is go is the Karnataka. But all is go finally.
Yeah, because
No comeback.
because during the Saudi session, right?
Yeah.
They have a lot of expat that they don't have work, so they need to go home. Thanks God because we are not included into that.
You work where? You.
I'm working in a German company, which is the
German company.
Yeah.
Oh,
Which
you
is,
is the big boss.
no, I'm not. Which is interior designer of kitchen like that, and for display like that. There's a police.
Because you no problem.
No problem.
Problem me.
Yeah, don't touch
And,
things.
yeah, and less problem.
Yeah, because some of the camera is here and there.
As you guess can remove that.
So now guys, ayan. How old are you?
Huh?
Kamusta na yun ta?
Age?
Yeah.
Age, 42.
It's 42.
You?
I'm 39.
39.
Yeah.
Oh, small. Yeah, Filipino is small. Age is the 52, 53.
Oh, like that.
Same young boy.
Wala.
You married?
No.
You no married?
I am married before, but now I am not married. I am a single already.
Three, 4 girlfriend.
Inshallah.
You?
How about you? Do you have a girlfriend of Filipini?
No.
No. Why? Since you have a lot of guests Filipini and Filipino, right?
Like this.
But how do you have a child? Do you have a baby?
I have 4.
4. Wow, that's good for you.
Why?
Nandito kami, we are now in highway guys because I'm going to Ikea, so we need to buy something that I need to display. We need to display in our next project, which is kitchen again from Kasim and Medina. So Mr. Farhad is the one of the taxi that I saw. Then now we're going to Ikea. He will drop me there. Anyway guys, thank you so much. I hope you see one of the taxi driver here in Saudi Arabia. Ish Malum Duterte.
The president Philippines
Aywa.
was strong.
Strong?
Before Aquino is no good.
Wala?
Hey, the Philippine president Duterte is very strong. All drugs have it.
Wala. Yeah, malo. Mabisim-sim awal.
Yani anto Duterte.
Aywa, ano Duterte? Ano malum? But why you know about Duterte? Less yung malum about Duterte.
Malum mana fi too much customer.
Customer ka lang kida.
Aywa, kalam the Duterte is good. Before Aquino is no good. Aquino is bakla. Bakla malum?
Aywa, malum.
As malum as a gay.
Aywa. So Duterte is good, right? Malum Duterte kita sa.
Aywa, Duterte is good.
Aywa.
Same Pakistani Prime Minister. Imran Khan.
Wala.
Imran Khan is strong.
That's
Thor
good.
is no strong.
That's good. And guys, he knows about Duterte, our president in the Philippines. So, be strong, Mr. President Duterte.
Ada Ikea full electronics.
لا furniture.
Furniture?
ايوه.
Furniture ممكن هناك.
لا هذا furniture. في electronics. هذا electronics. هذا electro sako كده.